beautiful and lovely viewers. It's your girl Telly here again, and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so grateful. It's another beautiful day, and today I'm attending a skill acquisition program. So as you can see, I've already gotten to the location. So come along, come, let's go inside. Okay, guys, I think I'm late, so I don't know how things will go. They've already started the opening ceremony, so let's go inside quickly. I'm late, I'm very. So guys, we are done with the prayer. Yeah, so I think we'll be starting the training sessions from here. Yeah. Yes. What do you think about my outfit? Like, what do you think about my hair, my look? Let me know in the comments.
There's oily skin, normal skin, dry skin, combination skin. There are different types of skin. So now, how do you know an oily skin? Sometimes you know an oily skin from the T-zone area of the face. How do you know a combination skin? Sometimes when you're applying a product, before you even apply the product, you look at the skin. It looks like this one side, one time is oily, one part of his face is dry. Sometimes the nose is dry, then the forehead is oily. That's how you know that that's a combination skin. Then when you see dry skin, they look pale. It looks like their skin is peeling off. So that one, you need to use like a foundation with an oil base. There are different types of foundation. There are foundations that have water base, oil base. There are foundations that are matte finish. And now these foundations, they have oil base, they have water base, they have matte finish. Now oil base can have 3 different type of shade for only one person. Now that 3 different type of shade can be orange undertone, red undertone, and yellow undertone. That's why sometimes when you're picking your foundation, you see that you have picked the right shade for your face, but you know they match your neck. Because maybe your neck, you are red undertone. So whenever you are picking a foundation, you need to think of, first of all, what kind of skin do you have? You can be dark. Your dark shade is different from this person's dark shade. Your dark shade, as I'm looking at you right now, has a yellow undertone. And her dark shade, as I'm looking at her, your dark shade has red. Your dark shade has yellow. So now, if you're going to go and pick a dark shade of foundation in the market, now, maybe you are oily, you have oily skin. You are going to go and pick dark shade oily skin. You have to pick a foundation that is matte and that has red undertone. So whenever you're going to pick foundation, you don't just pick foundation because this is your color. you don't need to bother yourself going to go and use how do you call it, all those correctors. And because sometimes when you pack a lot of products on your face, it's not good, especially when you go under the sun with a lot of products on your face. It really affects your skin, and that's the truth. Now, moisturizers, there are different types of moisturizers. There are moisturizers that has oil base, there are moisturizers that has water base, there are moisturizers with SPF. The best moisturizer I can ever tell anybody, and that is good and perfect for every type of skin, is the moisturizer that has SPF. SPF simply means sun protecting factor. Now, there are different types of primer.
This liquid, it will just make to brighten the face. Some people like applying it after their powder and all that. For me, I don't like it because it will make my powder look sticky. So I like applying it before my foundation. So this is my beauty blender. It's very wet, not that wet, but if I press it, the water is not coming out. You need to wet it before you. I like using it. I prefer beauty blender than brush because it makes my work very easy. And when you want to apply, dab the foundation. Don't start rubbing on this. I'm going to use foam to highlight. My baking powder to bake before I go back to my brows. I'm sure you can't really see the pencil, right?
Yeah.
But when I conceal, you'll see it. This place, I left this part. That's the part I'm going to contour.
Very much for staying tuned. Thank you for watching my video. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any other future videos that I'll be doing. And I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it too. Please go and check my Instagram page and follow me on my Instagram page. And thank you so much for watching this video. And please stay tuned for my next video. Bye.